Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix YouTube not available in your region. Now in order to fix this sort of issues, then you need to follow these steps. First of all, the simplest thing you could do is restart your device. Now hold on to your side button and then you could click on the restart button. That might be able to solve your issue. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you could also change your device reason. Now in your device settings, you could go ahead and change the reason to the preferred one. So open up your settings on your device and type in locations, or you could just go to the maybe you could just toggle the button for location at the moment and try using a VPN and see whether that fixes your issue or not. And if the issue still persists on, next you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. So type in YouTube on the search bar and look for it. If the application seems to be completely up to date, then you could try disabling this or uninstalling YouTube and then reinstalling it, and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if nothing works out, then you could try using or changing your device itself, or maybe try using a different Google account that might be able to fix the issue. So this way you should be able to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.